ready? Let's start the fight. 3, 2, 1, activate! We've got our featherweight robot in the arena. Explosion is flipping the robots around. Explosion with the flipper. Tiny Toon being fed to our resident powerful robot. Little hitter coming down on little flipper. Little here with the hammer. Little flipper flips himself. Oh no, that's explosion, actually. So the pitch has gone down, and I've got a new microphone. You haven't got rid of me yet. So we've got Tiny Toon stuck against the wall. Little flipper upside down. Battle axe getting hold of Little flipper. Battle axe taking Little flipper to the pit. Is Little flipper going into the pit? There she goes, deposited in the pit by Battle axe. Tiny Toon stuck against the wall. It's between the little hitter. Tiny Toon now in the jaws of Battle axe. And that's actually freed Tiny Toon. So we've got Explosion, the black robot. We have Little Hitter, the one with the hammer. Right, we're going to start bringing this fight to an end. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, cease! Right, so we need a winner once again, and we're going to ask you guys to find the winner. If you think the winner was